In here are my products, which I'm trying to finish up. I did a poll in the community chat if I should do like a panning video, and the answer varies. So there's going to be like a mixture of both. If you don't know what panning is, simple explanation. This is a brand new powder. It wasn't open yet, but if I do decide to start using it, obviously it's gonna get less, and eventually you're gonna see the pan. That's when you know it's not too much left and the product it's about to be gone. In the meantime, I'm going to be posting pictures so you know what I'm talking about. But in here, I have like 5 items. So let me show you what I got. First item is going to be the L'Oreal powder. True Match Super Bendable Power. And what does it say? Coordinating True Match Makeup Shade Classic Ivory and 2. Over the years, I use many of those. I do like it. You can use it on your own, on its own, and it's gonna smooth out your skin. It's really nice. This one, obviously, I already use it, and it's not too much left. However, my replacement is gonna be the number 7 powder, and this is Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Translucent Finishing Powder in Light. And some people, they compare this to the Charlotte Tilbury powder. A small backtrack from all the videos which I was watching, there are 3 reasons or 3 things which come out of panic. And number 1 is once you hit the pan, you want to keep using it till you finish. The second, if you decide to use the product, but it doesn't go so well, you want to switch to something else. And the third one, you can decide to use something, but after a while, you just give up on it. In fact, I'm sure there's more answers or reasons into it. Those are the 3 which I come up with or I saw repeatedly. So the first item was the L'Oreal powder. That's the one which I'm using, and that's my replacement. Second is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow in Brulee. This is a bright new one. Similar as with the powder, I use many over the years, and that's the one which I was trying to finish. Unfortunately, I already did, and sad part with the panning products, once, let's say, where are you at? Once you get to this point, there is less and less product, and eventually some part they're gonna start breaking off, and either they're gonna end up in your sink or on your floor, and obviously you're not gonna pick it up. So with this, I still have some product left, but it was keep breaking up apart, and I finish up this morning. So that's my empty. However, I do have the replacement. So that's the same product, but it's full. And after this, I'm gonna just move on to the next one. So for right now, I have those 2 items to go through. Then the third one, it will be number 7 lip gloss. And yes, I even mark it to show you how much I'm starting with. This one is High Shine Lip Gloss in Pink Latte. It looks a little bit brownish, but because it's a lip gloss, it's opaque, so it will gives you like a nice shine shimmer. However, I know this is gonna take me a while to use it. And why? This is Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Moon. If you watch my videos last year, I went through like 4 of those, and I like it so much that I took off the stopper and grab everything with a Q-tip from the sides of the gloss. So if I will choose this one, I know it's going to be fast for me to finish, especially that it's almost empty. With this, not so much. Yes, it is a small size. Okay, the full one is like double of the size. So this is like a, let's call it sample size, travel size. It comes in one of their Christmas sets. But because of the color, in fact, I will gravitate more toward this. But since I have this one for a little bit, I decided to give it a try, and we shall see how it's gonna go. I put the mark, so in that case, after a couple weeks, I can see how much progress I make it. Then we have, oh yeah, setting spray, lasting Maybelline lasting fix makeup setting spray up to 16-hour wear matte finish, 100 ml, 3.4 ounces. However, right now I'm right here, and once I finish, I'm gonna move. Once I finish this, I'm gonna replace it with something else. Then I have a foundation. It's the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation with sunscreen, broad SPF 50, color color ivory number 10, 1 ounce, 30 ml. I have two because, which one was it? I have two because the package is opaque. You cannot really see how much product is in it unless you're gonna be keep poking on it, and if possible you're gonna find out how much is in it. So this one, it's almost empty. Possible I'm somewhere at the end, so I decided to come up with this, and I think this one is like somewhere halfway. So once I finish this, I'm gonna just replace with the same item, just a more fuller one. And then the last one is the Estee Lauder primer, the Smooth Universal Perfecting Primer. This is half ounce, 15 ml. I have this one in the past. It's like a smaller travel size. I know how this product works. I like it. It smooths your pores, fill them up. In fact, I can use this on its own, because when you put a sunscreen, you just make your skin a little bit glowy and shiny. So this one, it's gonna take that shine off. So yes, I'm using it even on the days when I'm not wearing makeup, because it does work. Those are the products which I'm gonna be focusing on. However, there are others which I have on a daily basis, for example, like a darker eyeshadow or a blush, but I don't want to go too crazy, and I want to start simple. So for right now, it's 5 items, and depending how it's gonna go, possible I'm gonna bring it more. But for right now, 5 is enough. In a few weeks, I'm gonna give you update on it, or maybe when I'm gonna be doing like a monthly empties. Anyway, I see you next time. Bye.